Aridge A868. The Aridge A868 is a striking example of modern mid-range aviation engineering. Designed for efficiency, versatility, and environmental responsibility, this aircraft targets a growing need for regional air travel solutions that are both cost-effective and sustainable. Its aerodynamic design incorporates advanced winglets, optimized fuselage shaping, and lightweight composite materials. These innovations reduce drag and fuel consumption while maintaining structural integrity and passenger safety. The result is an aircraft that can travel further with fewer resources, meeting the rising demand for low-emission regional flights. Inside, the A868 cabin is a study in comfort and modularity. Noise-canceling systems, adjustable LED lighting, and customizable seating allow operators to tailor the environment. Dassault Falcon 10X. The Dassault Falcon 10X redefines long-range business aviation. With one of the most spacious cabins in its class, the 10X provides a mobile office, meeting room, or private suite for executives, government officials, and diplomats who demand comfort, privacy, and efficiency. Its ultra-long range enables non-stop flights between virtually any 2 points on the globe. Advanced avionics, digital flight control, and automatic stability systems reduce pilot workload, making long journeys safer and more manageable. Onboard systems also maintain ideal cabin pressure and humidity, ensuring passengers arrive alert and refreshed. The engines, optimized for both efficiency and performance, allow the Falcon 10X to climb rapidly and cruise at high altitudes. Advanced materials reduce structural weight while increasing durability and fuel efficiency. More than just a jet, the 10X represents a philosophy: speed and comfort without compromise, connectivity without disruption, and global mobility without limitation. In the competitive world of business aviation, the Falcon 10X sets a new benchmark for luxury, innovation, and practicality. Mighty Fly Sento. The mighty Fly Sento represents a bold leap into the future of autonomous aviation. Unlike traditional aircraft designed for passenger transport, the Sento is purpose-built as an unmanned cargo aircraft, capable of carrying heavy payloads across long distances with unprecedented efficiency and precision. In a world where speed, reliability, and automation are increasingly critical, the Sento is reshaping how goods move through the sky. At the heart of the Sento is a fully autonomous flight system. Unlike conventional aircraft, it requires no onboard pilot. Advanced AI algorithms manage navigation, obstacle avoidance, and dynamic flight planning in real time, allowing the aircraft to adjust to changing weather conditions, airspace restrictions, or emergency reroutes with incredible accuracy. Multiple redundant systems ensure safety and reliability, even in challenging or congested environments. The Sento's propulsion system is designed for efficiency, endurance, and environmental responsibility. Lightweight composite materials reduce structural weight, while high-efficiency engines or electric propulsion systems minimize fuel consumption and emissions. Its aerodynamic frame ensures stability during high-speed flights in turbulent conditions, maintaining cargo integrity even when transporting delicate or time-sensitive materials. From a logistics perspective, the mighty Fly Sento is transformative. Imagine medical supplies delivered to remote hospitals within hours, industrial components arriving at manufacturing plants without delays, or disaster relief supplies reaching areas inaccessible by road. Autonomous flight enables round-the-clock operation, drastically reducing delivery times and operational costs. Fleets of Sentos could operate in coordinated networks, optimizing airspace usage and maximizing efficiency in ways traditional logistics cannot achieve. TBM 940. The TBM 940 is a remarkable aircraft that represents the pinnacle of turboprop engineering, a marriage of speed, efficiency, versatility, and advanced technology. It belongs to a unique category of aviation, the high-performance single-engine turboprop, offering jet-like performance while maintaining the operational flexibility and cost efficiency of a propeller-driven aircraft. At the heart of the TBM 940 lies a sophisticated Pratt & Whitney turboprop engine, optimized for both power and reliability. This engine allows the aircraft to achieve impressive climb rates, high cruise speeds, and long-range performance while consuming significantly less fuel than comparable light jets. Advanced propeller design further enhances efficiency and reduces vibration, resulting in smoother flights that are comfortable for both pilots and passengers. The TBM 940's airframe is meticulously engineered to combine speed with safety. Its aerodynamic contours reduce drag, while reinforced wings and control surfaces ensure stability even during high-performance maneuvers or challenging weather conditions. Lightweight materials, carefully distributed weight, and precise center of gravity management make the aircraft both agile and responsive, giving pilots confidence in every phase of flight. One of the defining features of the TBM 940 is its state-of-the-art cockpit and avionics suite. The aircraft integrates a digital engine control system, predictive weather tracking, terrain awareness, and advanced autopilot capabilities. These systems reduce pilot workload, improve situational awareness, and enhance safety, especially important for single-pilot operations. Automation allows pilots to focus on Vertical Aerospace Valor. The Vertical Aerospace Valor represents a bold leap into the future of urban air mobility. In an age where cities are congested, traffic is increasing, and the need for rapid, sustainable transportation has never been greater, the Valor offers a solution: quiet, electric, vertical takeoff and landing flight that can seamlessly connect urban centers, airports, and nearby regions. At its core, the Valor is an electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, or eVTOL, designed from the ground up for efficiency, safety, and sustainability. Unlike traditional helicopters or planes, the Valor uses distributed electric propulsion, which provides redundancy, precise control, and low-noise operation. Multiple rotors allow for vertical lift during takeoff and landing, while the aircraft transitions to horizontal flight for efficient cruising, combining the flexibility. HondaJet Elite. The HondaJet Elite represents a remarkable achievement in light business aviation, combining efficiency, innovative design, and advanced aerodynamics in a compact, high-performance aircraft. At first glance, it may seem like a simple light jet, but beneath its sleek exterior lies a testament to decades of engineering ingenuity and a willingness to challenge conventional aircraft design. One of the HondaJet Elite's most striking innovations is its over-the-wing engine mount. Unlike traditional light jets, where engines are typically located at the rear fuselage or under the wings, Honda relocated the engines above the wings. This subtle but revolutionary adjustment reduces aerodynamic drag, enhances fuel efficiency, and contributes to a quieter cabin. Passengers enjoy a smoother, more comfortable ride, free from the